We all know the importance of taking care of our teeth, but it's equally important to take care of our furry friends' teeth as well. We have the WIndmill Animal Hospital in the studio to tell us how they can make the process easy for both you and your pet. I'm joined by Dr. Janice Price. How are you today?
Doing great.
You are always a busy girl, but I always tell you this. I learn so much whenever you are here.
That's what I'm here for.
And it's also for everyone with a pet because you specialize in so many animals. We are talking about dental health for animals. We always talk about our own oral health being as a gateway for our healthy bodies, but it's the same thing for pets as well.
It's the same thing for pets, but it's even more important to keep their mouths healthy. First of all, they can't tell you that their mouth hurts.
True.
And also, if they have periodontal disease, which is gingivitis and tartar, they have risk of getting heart problems, such as murmurs and having heart disease. They can have kidney damage, and they can have liver damage, all from the bacteria getting into the bloodstream from their gums and going elsewhere and causing havoc.
Wow, and literally we just talked about earlier this morning, you did a procedure.
Yes, we had a sweet little dog come in this morning. We did a dental on, and unfortunately she had 8 teeth removed that were mobile and causing pain, and one tooth actually came out when we cleared the rest of the tartar from it.
So
tartar was holding it in.
What was holding the teeth with the tartar? That is fascinating right now. There are some pictures that we just had before and after. Such remarkable differences. Like right now what we see, I know you do some, a lot of that.
Right, and they come in looking like, well, they look pretty rough. And we get the tartar off, and sometimes we find surprises underneath, like a cracked tooth that has pulp exposure, and then that tooth has to be removed or have a root canal. And many times we find impacted food and grass and hair, and it can get a little rough in there. But we're pleased to get the pet's mouth cleaned up and get their quality of life restored. Also, when they get their mouths cleaned up, their breath is no longer so rough.
Woo!
So your pet is more pleasant to be around you. And just think about it. If your pet has periodontal disease and has that terrible breath that we go, ugh, don't come near me, well, that pet is living with that raunchy taste in his mouth 24/7.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, so this is a very important situation. Now, by age 3, 85% of pets have at least early periodontal disease.
Oh wow.
So by age 3, we need to start cleaning teeth. The main risk factors for really big problems in the mouth are small mouth, crowded mouth, hairy mouth. Okay, crowded mouth, think of your snub-nosed breeds, like a Shih Tzu, Lhasa, English Bulldog. Hairy mouth, little Maltese, Schnauzer, and of course just a basic small mouth like a Chihuahua, a Yorkie, Maltese.
Right.
Those guys are all the poster children for periodontal disease in veterinary. Most pets need to have their teeth cleaned once a year or so.
So what we're advising right now is really at such a young age for dogs just
to start good dental care with your pet, you'll add 2 to 5 healthy years to his lifespan. He'll be
2 to 5 healthy years.
Yes. Boy, what a payoff. And plus he'll be a lot more pleasant to be around. And he'll have more fun with his life. Now, February is National Pet Dental Health Month. So pet dentals are going to have some special pricing, so take advantage of it in February.
Which will also be the same for
yes, at WIndmill Animal Hospital. Yes, we want every pet to have clean teeth and fresh breath. We like that Pepsodent smile on our pets.
You like not having to pull out the tartar. You like seeing that such a healthy dog.
We vastly prefer doing what we call a maintenance dental, where we're just cleaning the teeth and just getting rid of the tartar and helping the gums be healthy, instead of what is called a salvage dental, which is where the tartar is bridging from tooth to tooth, and we have a lot of teeth coming out.
Oh my gosh. I think one of the things people can really take out from this, adding lives just with a proper healthy teeth.
2 to 5 years, and since we're talking 12 to 18 years, depending on what size your dog is, 2 to 5 years is an excellent return on your investment. Plus, it's so much more pleasant.
I can agree. Again, pets can't really communicate like humans do, so I think
they can't tell you.
It's painful, but it's worth it.
Yeah, by the time a cat or dog quits eating because their mouth is so painful, we have got a train wreck in there. And we need to intervene before it gets to that stage.
That's a red flag and alert. Thank you so much for being a pleasure. We'll be visiting your hospital soon enough. If you want to bring your animals to the WIndmill on a hospital off WIndmill Circle, the number to set up an appointment is on your screen. They're even open on Saturdays. Also, their info is on Facebook as well. Just search WIndmill Animal Hospital. Head to bigcountryhomepage.com/KTAB.